guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw Avatar World. To start, I'm going to teach you how to draw the body first, and then we're going to add on the clothes later on. So first step we got to do, and just got to follow me to just draw the head. So we're going to start with a dot here, and then we're going to go one round over. Make sure it's as circular as possible. Make sure your hand is steady as well. And then come down. For over here, we're going to do a little bit of like a dent. And then we're going to come here. Here we go. Here's the head. Next, we're going to do the ears. The ears are a little bit big and high up above the cheeks. One here. Let's do another one. Over here, this one's bigger. Okay, and then we're going to draw two lines over the ears. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And this part is like a circle. Okay, next, we're going to draw the neck. Now, don't forget, in Avatar World, the neck and the body is much, much smaller compared to the head. So this is going to be the neck. And then we're going to do the shoulders. It's going to come down a little bit like this. I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then we're going to draw a line here, all the way down. Here too, all the way down. And then we're going to do another matching line on the other side, like this. And then we're going to do a bit of a curved body here. Then down over here. And across down to the legs. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, across down to the legs. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to match it by highlighting here this part and then coming down. All right, so here's the legs. Now for the feet, there's not much feet, so it's just kind of like a little bit of pointy feet on the left and the right side. Done. Now let's do the hands. So the hands are a bit lower. It should be below this part. And then we're gonna do a little thumb, cross over, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you got the thumbs and the hands. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna go all the way down. And then this part we're gonna curve in instead. And then we're gonna do the hands on this side. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the body is done. Next we're gonna do is the face. So let's draw two big circles. One here. And one on the other side. All right, now it depends if you want it to be a boy or a girl. If you want it to be a girl and you want to add a little bit of eyelash, you can. In this corner, you just gotta point it up like this. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And we're gonna do a bit of a highlight because usually they have a bit of eyeliner. Like this, it looks so pretty. Do the same thing on the other side. And we're going to point it up. The other side should be slightly smaller because it's further. So here we go. And now next, depending on the eyeballs you want to draw, you can draw whatever type of eyeballs you want. But I'm going to draw my cousin Potato. So I'm going to do this instead. I'm going to do middle. So I'm going to make her look super cute. 2. I'm gonna make a line here, a small hole here, and a small hole here. Done. All right, next I'm gonna draw her button nose and her cheeky smile. Like this. And this could be a bit of a zigzag. There we go, so cute. Now that we're done with the body, we're gonna do the shirt. That's right. Now for the clothes, I'm gonna use another piece of paper. I kind of see through it, but I gotta be careful because I don't want to ruin the sketch at the back because the ink goes through. So what I'm gonna do first is let's use a rough piece of paper with pencil instead. And first off, I'm gonna do the clothes. So she wears suspenders all the time. I'm just gonna roughly sketch her suspenders. Okay. Now that we're done with this, we can roughly sketch with our pen. All right, done. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna color this and then we're gonna color the body. So we're gonna color this first, the hair. Okay, hair is done. Match the shoes, the shirt. And this is white, so we can leave it white or add a little bit of a color. So it kind of looks like a shadow. And we're done. We're gonna cut it out later, but let's move on to the body first. Now, the body. For the eyes, we're gonna do the same color. As you can tell, the eyes in Avatar World are a little bit gradient, so I'm gonna make this part darker. Do you see the difference? I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna make this part darker by outlining a few times. Done. Now, for the skin color, I'm going to be using this color pencil instead. Now we are done with cutting the skin. The next thing we're gonna do is start cutting our outfit. All right, here we go. Okay, now we're gonna cut the middle of the face and the shoes. So we can add it on later on. Next shoe done. Now, the middle part of the face will be slightly tough. And then done. Now, lastly, we're just gonna have to paste them on and we're all good to go. Right, so let us do the shoes first. One shoe over here, one shoe over here. And then now let's do the body. Just add some glue to each part of the outfit. If you want to add accessories, you can. If you want me to do more Avatar World, comment down below more. There, this is my cousin. Let's see how good it'll look. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I just drew my cousin Potato Avatar World form. Ta-da! All right, lastly, we gotta add something, which is the blush. And here, ta-da! It's so cute. Wait, I think I forgot eyebrows. It's okay, because it's glue. I can always add them on. All right, done. We are done with our character in Avatar World. Ta-da! Hope you guys like it.